Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my first ever Chic Beauty Box unboxing. I'm so excited about this. This is a bi-monthly, so every other month beauty subscription. And if you're not familiar with me and my channel, I unbox a lot of different beauty subscriptions here on my channel. I get all of the Ipsy, all of the BoxyCharm, but one of my main complaints about Ipsy and BoxyCharm is when I get products that are not relevant to my quiz and my feedback, and most of the time it's skincare products. And Chic Beauty Box is supposed to be all makeup, which I can't believe I hadn't subscribed to this before. It's $34.99 a month and you get 5 to 6 full-size products, at least $100 worth of value, and you get to choose 3 or 4 of your products in the box. So all of that sounds awesome. I love how you get to customize so much of the box, because that's another one of my complaints with other beauty subscriptions is that you only get to choose a couple, one, maybe more of your products. But I love how much you get to customize your Chic Beauty Box. So everything about this just really sounds perfect to me. So I'm really excited to see what I got in my first box here. So there are a couple things in this mailer bag. Ooh, first, maybe that's because this could not fit in the box. This is a huge palette and such an exciting first product to pull out of my box. First product ever from Chic Beauty Box. This is from Elizabeth Arden, New York, Sparkle and Shine Color Palette. Ooh. So I am not going to be swatching and trying anything on in this video because I have a series here on my YouTube channel where I try out a new makeup product every day. So that's where I'll do full dedicated review tutorial videos on all of the products that I get in this box. Oh my gosh, the packaging on this is seriously like my dream palette. It's all pink glitter, which is just so me. This is so beautiful. It has eyeshadows, face, lip. I am so excited about this. Oh my goodness. Like seriously, could not have been a more perfect product for me to pull out. And then here we've got the actual Chic Beauty Box, which is very cute. So now let's see what's in here. Ooh, I see some brands that I love and recognize. So first we've got CoverGirl. Wow, I love that you get a mix of like drugstore, high-end, and just very recognizable brands in full size. So this is the CoverGirl True Blend Base Business Skin Primer in Moisturizing. I love trying out primers, and I haven't tried this specific one from CoverGirl, but I love CoverGirl, so this is a great product for me to get, especially with this colder weather. My skin is so dry, so I'm looking for very moisturizing primers. What I don't see is product information, so I wonder if there's an app or something. At least these are full-size products, so I can look up the retail value, which is what I will do when I do my full dedicated review videos. But I don't have that quick, easy way to add up my total retail value, but it's supposed to be over $100, so we'll see at the end of this if I feel like I got that or if I at least feel like I got my money's worth. But next up I have here, ooh, from Smashbox, Always On Duo. Are these lip or eye? Oh, liquid lipstick. Metallic matte liquid lipstick. I love metallic matte liquid lipsticks, and I love Smashbox, so this is really great to get. The bronzy shade looks a little bit more out of my comfort zone, so I'm interested to see how that's going to look on me, but I wonder if I can use this as like an eye product as well. Guess we'll find out. And then also I got, ooh, from the brand Kaja. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but I don't know if I've really tried any products from this brand, but I've been wanting to. And this is really beautiful packaging. This is the Mochi Glow Bouncy Blendable Highlighter. Oh, that sounds so fun. In the shade Stardust. Let's get a look at this. Ooh, that looks pretty, but It does look like too dark for me, and I'm pretty sure I had to put like my skin tone and everything in my beauty quiz for this, so hopefully that will work for me. I don't want to be getting products that are not suitable to me, so we'll have to find out how that looks on my skin tone. And then my fifth product in here is from NYX. I love the brand NYX. Color Correcting Primer. That's interesting. 2 primers in here. They're both like blue, but this is an actual color correcting one, which I think will actually be blue. I'm not sure if the CoverGirl one's actually going to come out blue, but blue is supposed to brighten sallowness and fair complexions. Well, I was saying that I love primers, and I really do like color correcting. I don't do it very often, but it is so effective and really fun to do. So this will be a really fun product to try out. So wow, I am excited that I am now getting CHIC Beauty Box. I think this is an exciting first box. I wouldn't say it's so excitingly incredible. The first product I pulled out really was so exciting, the Elizabeth Arden palette. But the rest of the products, I mean, I'm excited to try them out, but the fact that I got 2 primers and then shades that I don't feel like will necessarily suit me has me feeling a little iffy, but I'm still willing to continue getting this box. So yes, I'll do a quick recap. I got that Elizabeth Arden palette, the Kaja Bounce highlighter, the Smashbox Metallic Liquid Lip Duo, the NYX Color Correcting Primer, and the CoverGirl Moisturizing Primer. So I think that not every box from CHIC Beauty Box is the same. So I would love to hear in the comments down below if you get CHIC Beauty Box, what did you get in your box? And if you've tried any of these products, let me know in the comments down below what you think of them. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.